Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another human hair wig review for you guys, brought to you by Wowafrican. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so you saw the unboxing and everything. This wig already comes pre-styled, but I went ahead and did a deeper like curved side part, and I molded it with my hot comb here, and I reestablished some of the curls with my curl wand here. So this is what the wig looks like right now. And I wanted to elongate some of the curls too. I have 22 inches. I'm going to put the comb in the back and pull the wig up, and I'm going to pull the drawstring that comes in the back. I'm loving wigs that have a drawstring in the back for more security. So this is what it looks like. No adhesive or anything. It lays really flat in the front, as you can see. I have a little bit of lifting over here. But this is what it looks like completely glueless. Completely glueless, this is what we're working with. I think I'm going to put a little bit of spray underneath just so I don't have any lifting. And I usually put spray on top of my lace, but I'm going to put it underneath. For my adhesive spray, I'm going to use the Kiss Colors and Care Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. Bring the wig back, spray it on the front. So here is the final look of the wig. I'm going to go ahead and read some specs for you guys as you guys look at the final look. So this is the Wowafrican Natural Wavy HD Lace 9x6 Pre-Everything Wear and Go Glueless Wig. So it's 22 inches and 180% density. So I do feel like this is a very full unit. Again, a 9x6 Glueless S-cap wig. So it has pre-cut lace, plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. So with this, it does have kinky edges. So the actual hair texture to me is a bit more, I'm not going to say it's silky, but it's not the same kinky texture as the edges, but it's not so drastic of a difference to where it would look bad. I think it looks really good. It does look like my own edges. And I went ahead and did a sunlight test for you guys. Of course, it is overcast today, so there's no sun out. So I think the lace looks pretty good outside. So I did it, you know, as soon as I came outside, I did it under the gazebo. And then I went out and did it the direct sunlight for the sun that we actually do have. And I think the lace looked really good outside. And I'm a big fan of the kinky edges because I feel like even though this is a closure, it still blends very well with the pieces of hair I have closer to my ear. But everything else with the hairline is completely covered and I don't have any leave out. So if you do have thin edges, I do think the kinky edges, this trend is very, you know, good for people who have sparse edges, or you want your hair, you know, something that mimics your own hairline. So I didn't have any excess amounts of shedding. I had a little bit of shedding. And as far as tangling goes, once I have the curls how I want them and I have fluffed them out, I'm not worried about, you know, running my hands through it. But outside of that, I didn't have like excessive tangling, but I did have a little bit of shedding. So if you are interested in this wig, you can head over to Wowafrican and pick it up there. Shout out to Wowafrican for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.